Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave Analysis.com YouTube channel. Today is September the 19th and the chart of the day for today is the Euro Yen 60 minutes time frame here. So we can see we ended with A here as a 5 ways down and now looking for with B rally before it starts turning lower again. So the idea here is that now we don't yet have any bullish or bearish sequence. As the arrow is not red here, it's only turning down, and we're gonna take a look why this is turning down. It's not red, and this is the expected area between 160.25 162.24 where potentially the current rally can fail, and then it can then start turning lower again from this area here. Now if I zoom out on the daily time frame, all right, we can see right here that, let me put some of the count here. So we ended A here at the lows, right? So that's our A. So we got 5 ways down A and looking to finish the B rally here before it starts turning lower again. At least that's what should be, right? So if you take a look at the daily here, you notice here that we peaked here and then starting to sell off, and we got this structure where if it can break below this August low, August 5th low, then it will be a bearish sequence, because then it will show a lower low sequence from the peak here if it can break below August, right? And then that will confirm to be a bearish event. And whenever, if it can break below August 6th, which it has not, by the way, but if it has broken below August 6th, then it should go to or it is likely to extend lower to the 100%, at least, which is 142, which is a long way to go. But currently that's basically based on the down here, that's what we are calling for. We're calling for the downside eventually, but the arrow is only turning down because we have not gotten the confirmation by the break below August 6th. Now because unless it breaks below August 6th, we always have a potential where we can do a double correction, right? We can always do a double correction like this before it starts turning lower, right? So but the primary view now is calling for the downside while it stays below this previous peak 163.9 here, and currently we also seen the rally here. If you take a look at the rally, unless this is in the form of a nest like a 1-2-1-2, then it seems to be is a three-way here, right? It is a three again, unless this is 1-2-1-2. Currently it looks like a three ways with a shallow correction, and so if that is truly a three ways and not a nest, then this area should produce some sort of resistance and should see at least a risk pullback from here, right? The alternate, again, this could be a nest 1-2-1-2 and rally higher as an impulse if that's the case. And then on the daily, then the other option will be some sort of like an ABC here, right? And currently doing a nest, and then it will extend as an impulsive up like this with little pullback, because it's currently 1-2-1-2 3-4-3-4, and then it just continues to go up like this to finish C leg before it starts turning lower. So that will be the alternate. Now another thing that you can consider is that if you look at some of the yen pairs like the Swiss yen or USD yen and you want to correlate, then those other yen pairs already broke below the August 6th. So that's why I think if we are talking about probability, then I think it is more likely than not that we can continue to extend lower instead of doing a double like this, which is possible. I wouldn't completely discount that, but if you look at the Swiss yen, USD yen that has already broken that low, then it looks likely that we might be able to hold above this previous peak here, and then it can continue to extend lower. And therefore this is potential area where we can at least do some sort of risk pullback in the euro yen. Okay, so that's the update for today, guys. As always, if you want to get more updates on Forex, commodities, indices, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the video. So see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.